With inflation numbers coming out in a couple of hours, the US stock market's starting to price in that rate hike, so it's starting to become a bit more sensible rather than buying on the bad news of higher interest rates and the odds of a rate cut coming in the next 3 or 4 months, or even in the first quarter of 2023. Have fallen and pretty much a zero chance now. So stocks are starting to price that in as they weaken ahead of the news. Obviously, if there's a higher inflation number, then the likelihood of rate rises increases. A lower inflation number means we might not have a rate rise, and so stocks could bounce. So just more froth ahead of it, so be careful and maybe wait until the number comes out. A mixed bag in commodity markets. We've got spot crude no change, Brent no change, gas up smalls, copper no change, gold up smalls, and we come over into the softs, and again it's a mixed bag really, and lumber a little bit of a bounce, and the rest is sort of just flip-flopping around nowhere. The Bloomberg Commodity Index up a little bit, still off its all-time highs, which are earlier in the year, and coke and coal and iron ore kind of divergent there, opposites. Mixed bag. Again, I think waiting for the US inflation is probably your best idea, and getting that out of the way before sort of taking on any trades. With the markets waiting for inflation numbers, which is due 8:30 local time New York, or 10:30 tonight in Australia, so about 15 hours away, or 13, sorry, thereabouts. The markets pretty much did nothing really. You've got the US dollar here, effectively down a little, but not much. And it's kind of what we expected, just more froth and choppiness, as we can see here on the euro. Market's just trading sideways until we get that number, that inflation number, and an idea of where interest rates are going. But market's starting to price in no cuts in the foreseeable future, so more hikes to come, which should support the US dollar somewhat.